I am Danielle from Incheon Sagu English Village. Do you know what is Scandia moss? Scandia moss is a natural moss dyed with a natural dye that is harmless to the human body and is very good for indoor air purification. So today, I am going to make a Scandia moss work using DIY products. How is it? Well made? You can simply make a sketch or a desired model as a base work. Then you can tear off the Scandia moss little by little to shape it and attach it carefully with woodworking glue. So you can put the glue and you can put the Scandia moss. It is a relatively simple task, so anyone can easily do it. Also, it is possible for different people to complete different works, even with the same kit. What do you think? Do you think it would be fun? Let's make it together. Bye bye!